Hey everyone.
Hello, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Hey, how y'all doing out there?
What is going on, everyone?
Oh, yeah, it is a beautiful day. Today turned out to be a beautiful day amidst the past weather and stuff, too. It's a beautiful day out.
Yes,
Sun shining. It's the weekend, baby. It's
yes,
on.
yes. So beautiful in Memphis right now.
Oh,
Look,
yeah.
this
So,
is
hey,
so out.
this is our first live event, Unwrap Success, and we just want to introduce ourselves to the platform. I'm so happy and thankful and blessed to be here today to even talk to y'all on this platform and introduce this platform to so many individuals. I've been doing this thing in the tax industry for a long time now, and so I'll tell you who I'm. Henley Dolman, CEO of Unwrap Success, and I wanted to just do something to connect individuals like myself. Just connect um, entrepreneurial minds, go getters, hustlers, people that are in the tax industry, and create a platform to where we can actually connect, share information, give information out. And for those who may be interested in getting into the tax preparation industry, we'll show you how to do it. We'll talk to you about a lot of things that'll give you a lot of information and knowledge that will definitely be helpful to you. So, again, I'm thankful to be able to be your host today. And I also have a special co-host today. I'll let her introduce herself and tell you who she is and what she does.
So my name is Dominique Phillips. I am the owner and founder of DW Credit Recovery Consolidations and Consultants. And so what we do is assist business owners. We also assist business owners with anything that you need: credit repair, business credit, tax preparation, graphics and designs, marketing, anything you need business wise, we're here to help you. You can give us a call. We do credit training. A lot of us, we're trying to get our credit fixed so that we can get a house in the future, get approved for that car. That's what we're here to do. We assist with training. We assist with, just one on one assistance with anything credit wise. So if you have any questions about that, you can reach out to me. But we will be talking about that today on this live as well.
Cool, cool, cool. So yeah, again, like I said, we created this live to be able to network and have a lot of fun with individuals just like ourselves in the industry. And not only are we here to talk about the tax preparation industry, but other industries that may assist everybody's tax business and other opportunities that may boost your income or that you may be interested in the postseason. Myself, I like to stay busy year round, even though the tax preparation industry is my largest industry, and I love it. I've been doing this since 2008. A little background history on myself. If you've heard of a company called Simple Tax Solutions, well, I was the president of that company. We started back in 2008, and we quickly grew that company to one of the largest in this area, and we had a lot of locations all over the country. So, in that time span of me being the president of that company, I gained a lot of experience in the tax preparation industry, and I've seen a lot of things, and I've actually helped a lot of individuals start their own tax businesses and tax offices, help people grow their offices, help people become service bureaus, multi-service bureaus, all sorts of things. So you name it, if it's in the tax industry, I've done it and have a lot of experience doing it. So I'm not only just an individual who runs a tax preparation operation, but I'm a mentor and business coach to those who need advice on how to do things involving that business. Um, Also in the postseason, when you're in the tax industry, you really never off, but there's always other opportunities that you can do and that you can take on to use that money that you made during tax season to invest it, to grow it, to turn it into more revenue. And so that's one of the things that we're going to talk about on our tax talks and in our live events. Just like how I've just introduced you all to Miss Dominique here, who does credit repair. You may want to add credit repair to your business. I would love to network and talk to multiple or lots of individuals out there. All of you that want to get on the live event with me. I'd love to do it so that we can share our business expertise and knowledge with the public and grow our networks and everything together. So looking very forward to it. Very forward to
Yeah.
it.
So tell us a little about Unwrap Success. Um, what is it exactly? I know a lot of people was asking me questions about it, and they just wanted to know, in detail what it was.
Okay, so Unwrap Success, we are now a software sales company. So we're a service bureau. We provide tax preparation software, we provide marketing, and we provide training, software training, business training, marketing training, all sorts of training that helps people in the tax industry. As I stated, I started in the tax preparation industry years ago, and through that experience in running offices, I pretty much learned how to help anyone manage their business. I mean, whether you are someone working from home, whether you're somebody looking to start a tax business, you don't know where you're going to start. You don't know if you're going to start from home. You don't know if you're going to work out of like somebody else's location. You don't know
Mhm.
what direction you want to take. That's what we do. I mentor individuals who are looking to start tax preparation businesses in any situation on any type of budget. So that's what Unwrap Success does. We help unwrap the success of individuals who are looking and aspiring to get into the tax preparation industry
Yeah.
and other financial industries.
Yes, most definitely. I personally use the software, everyone, and I love it. I mean, Henley has been so very helpful. Even the team has been so very helpful from the beginning. Like I was all over the place at first, and I found him on YouTube, and I was like, "Oh my god, he's right here in Memphis, and he seems like he's a very helpful person." The team seems as if they will assist you every step of the way, and everything stated in that video was definitely true. When I say from the very beginning, I'm talking about very beginning, I was lost, and every time I called, he picked up. He was like, "Okay, this is what I want you to do, this, and this," and it happened instantly. So I am very grateful for the software as well, and everything. Even the pricing was just right up my budget. And now I have preparers under me that's using the software as well, and they're looking at starting their own business. So Unwrap Success is definitely a software you want to go with for sure.
Thank you, Dominique. That
Yeah.
was well put. Thank you. And as Dominique stated, that is what we do. That's what we specialize in. We specialize in the software and marketing sector of the tax preparation industry, and also our customer service is top tier. We aim to keep everybody happy, and there's no question that anybody has that we don't want to answer. We want to answer every question, no matter how small the individual may think it is. It may be something big that can prevent them from reaching their success, the success level that they could reach. So, we want to be hands on with it and like, look, okay, if you need something, we want to know what it is and
Yeah.
take care of it. So, yeah, that's exactly what we do.
I
Yeah,
had
yeah.
my moments where I was like, "Oh, I just don't want to bother him over this stupid question." And I'll call. I was like, "Look, it's me again. I got a question," and he answered it with these. So
Oh yeah, oh
very,
yeah, oh yeah,
very
yeah.
cool.
Everybody's important. I've learned that early on in life and in business. You treat everybody as an important individual. Nobody's like just another number. You gotta treat everybody the way that you want to be treated if you're in that situation and need that assistance. So I'm
Definitely.
dedicated to it. My team is dedicated to it. That's what we talk about in our trainings, our sales trainings, and things like that.
Mhm.
Keeping our customers happy and staying up to date with everything that we have to do to
Yeah.
keep them satisfied.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I see we
Most.
have some people chiming in. Hey,
Uh,
what's up, everybody? Welcome to our first tax talk live. Glad that you're here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Our PR person told me to say that a lot. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna send a message to everybody.
Most definitely. It's very beautiful outside. And this summer, I was kind of thinking like getting on everything early. I know during this tax season, I procrastinated, in which it was like a very this it was like one of those last minute decisions. I was like, well, this is what I'm gonna do, or I was kind of on the edge. But this year, starting probably in July, I'm gonna get on it early on, do a lot more training, and that's what I suggest with other tax preparers that's trying to come on, is to get on everything early. You do not want to be last minute when getting on these platforms and trying to learn everything, because you know what we're dealing with is very important. So you definitely want to have a team behind you when doing something like this. Do I
That's
have
awesome.
any tax repairs, possible tax repairs here in this live? Don't be shy.
Yeah, well, if you are out there, you know how to reach us and find us, and we definitely be glad to cater to you and service you. And just like Dominique just said, yeah, being in this tax industry, I know everybody probably like, okay, so it's the end of the season, and he wants to do a tax talk. Well, I think that this is the best time to do it because now we have the experience of this season behind us. This season has been one not like one we've seen before. It's kind of like it was kind of like last year,
Yeah,
but this season did posed different challenges and different things, and it had its own individuality. I'll just say that.
yeah,
So with this season coming to a close, you got the this month here. This is you got your last filing date. For the first quarter,
mhm,
and so it gives everybody enough time that is looking to get into the tax prep industry, or if you're already in it and you're looking to grow, it gives you enough time. You got all the summer to get things prepared and
mhm.
come back next year blazing and be ready to
Yes,
get out there and prosper and service your clients to the utmost ability. So, that's why I say this. In my opinion, I think this is the best time to go ahead and start talking and networking and
yeah,
getting together, attending a lot of the IRS forums and the IRS conferences and things of that nature,
yeah,
because, we can get hands on information about what's going to happen with the upcoming year, upcoming season. I'm looking to network with a lot of EAs and
mhm,
individuals who have a lot of expertise in this industry that can we can bring it to this platform and share it with everybody.
yeah.
So I'm excited. I'm super
Definitely.
excited
Most
and looking forward to it. In the future, we're looking to also, maybe do a group or something, and within that group, then we use that as a platform to communicate and share information also. And we have this thing that I want to do, and I want to do with a lot of you all. It's going to be this power lunch thing, and what we're going to do is it's going to be a virtual lunch. And so everybody will get a chance to do tax talk and do a virtual lunch. And it doesn't matter where you are. We got Uber Eats, Grubhub, all that type of stuff all over the country. So you
Yeah,
know, you sign up. You say, hey, look, I want to do lunch and get on the tax talk. We're gonna do lunch. We're gonna order some food. Hey, we're gonna sit back. We're gonna get on the tax talk and we're gonna do lunch and then we're gonna talk. So I'm
yeah,
looking forward to different ideas like that and different things that I feel are exciting and that everybody will like. So
yeah,
I
yeah.
think
That
that'll be
sounds
great.
fun to me.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So
Yeah.
hey, out there, who's out there that has a question about anything or that has a topic of discussion that you feel that we should talk about?
Yeah. We're here to answer any type of questions. I do want to go into detail about credit repair. So, we're in the season where this is the very beginning of the year. You want to look into trying to get a house, trying to get approved for a car, and you know where you're sitting credit wise. So, with that, this is a great time at the beginning of the year to go with our 4-month plan. So within 4 months, we completely clean your credit. Now, it takes you and me to get those things together, okay? Because it is a partnership. I'm going to be in contact with you at every step of the way. Okay. And when I say that is we have the 4-month plan where we contact you every single month First month, second month, third month, fourth month. First month consists of disputes and trying to figure out what accounts will stay and what will be removed. The second and third month, we're going to see what is going to actually stay on there. So, you all know sometimes you have spoken with that collection agency, you know you owe this debt, and they reported it correctly. With that, sometimes most of those things will stay on there. So with that, we're going to try to assist with debt consolidations. And there is no way around getting this removed. The only thing you can do is make a payment. And so that's what we assist with, getting you a debt consolidation loan, reasoning with the collection agencies, and getting you a settlement so that you can close this out. This is why it only takes 4 months. The fourth month, once we clean all the mess off, the fourth month, we start focusing on building your credit. So within 4 months, you will be ready to purchase your home. You will be ready to get that car you want, and you'll be all set. See? So with that, all of that is $150 a month, or we can work with you. We try to work with you. I'm gonna give you an example. I have several clients that say, okay, I have to pay the bills the second and third. The second and third month. Can I kind of extend that payment out? And we will say, yes, we rather you pay your bills first, and then we work with you on the back end. So those are things that my company does that to try to assist you. And if you would like to do these things yourself, we assist you every step of the way as well. Um, so yeah, if you have any questions about that, let us know. I see we got a question from Jennifer Jane. She said, let me see, kind of lost it a bit. There we go. What do you use for continuing education and tax prep course for new preparers? I've looked into income tax school, but I myself am using my tax courses online.
Good question, Jennifer Jane. For continuing education, there are a lot of good sources out there. My tax courses online, I believe I've heard them. That's a pretty good one. The income tax school, that's a good one also. I would recommend any one of them that definitely has the IRS accreditation to give you the training. Also, the IRS has a training course, also the EITC due diligence course on their website. That one there is good as well, because I mean you're getting it straight from the horse's mouth, and it also has a lot of videos and interactive features with it. So to get some CE credits and things of that nature, income tax school or the IRS site would irs.gov would definitely be um, some of the best sources. And if you also stay tuned, we will have some EAs, Irish tax attorneys, and all sorts of individuals with expertise that will be on our actual live, and they will give out information, and we'll have all sorts of information in our blogs and things like that. So um, I hope that answered your question. All right. So we did say that we were going to do some giveaways and things online, and so we will go ahead and do a giveaway right now. And since Jennifer Jane was one of the, let me see, no, we got a lot of quite a few people on here, but Jennifer Jane, we're going to give Jennifer Jane a, we got a $50 Amazon card. Oh
Oh,
yeah, oh yeah. So everybody likes stuff like that. So Jennifer, if you would inbox me with your email address, when now or whenever the live is over, and I will make sure that you get that consolation prize.
congratulations, Jennifer. That's exciting. All you had to do was come on here and
Oh
ask
yeah,
a question,
oh
and
yeah,
$50, just like that.
oh yeah. And I believe in the rule of giving. The more you give, the more you receive. The more you give, and you receive,
Yes.
receive, 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 receive. So
Yeah.
we're also giving out knowledge and information also, and the connectivity of individuals that where we can all share together. So
Yes.
it just excites me, and it's gonna do nothing but grow from here. And I'm looking very forward to it. I mean, this right here just is, I'm ecstatic about it. So yeah, and in the postseason, if you're out there and you're a viewer, and you have an opportunity that you're looking at, that you have already, that you like to share with us, a business that you want to sell, or a business that you're looking for affiliates to join to, definitely let us know. Inbox us,
Yeah.
DM us, whatever. Call me on the 800 number. Let's get you booked, and get you on here, and let's
Yeah.
share our businesses on this platform, and get real comfortable with each other. I like to get comfortable with everybody I'm making money with. Let's get comfortable, and let's make a whole lot of money. You know, I
Yes.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
Hey, Jakisha. She's one of my clients.
Okay.
She's very supportive of. You say you're late, just here for the knowledge. Most definitely. So tell us about your business. I know you have a business going on right now, and we would like to hear about it. If you have any tax questions, you have tax professionals here. You have the owner of a software. So any questions you might have,
Oh
feel free.
yeah, oh yeah, yeah. And anything you're looking at network during the summer with, or after tax season, like we literally
Yeah,
have uh what, 2 weeks to the end of filing date, and so those that are go getters, we still get out there and go get it.
yeah,
Even though you might vacate a little bit, but you still, if you like me, you always going to get it.
I
When
know,
I'm traveling, I'm in Florida or wherever I'm traveling, I'm on the planes, whatever. I'm still working. I
right?
like to make money when I'm asleep. I like to make money when I'm making money right now while I'm doing this. I like to keep myself busy. So that's what we want to do.
Yeah.
Build a platform to where we can all hustle together.
So
Um,
that's a good question. Both of us specialize in marketing, so we can tell you how to get you some clients.
Oh yeah, oh
So
yeah. How to build clients. Here's the biggest misconception everybody has that starts a tax business. Everybody start a tax business. What's they gonna say? Look, oh, I already know who gonna support me. Who they gonna say gonna support them first, Dominique?
they family.
Yeah, friends and family. I got a lot of friends. I got a lot of family. Are your friends and family gonna support you first? No. The answer is usually not. Sometimes, maybe, but
Yeah.
really, you got to get out there and market in the ways that you know how to market. You can't just say, okay, because I know a lot of people, or I come from a big family, I'm gonna automatically be successful with this, because I don't know why it happens, but it's like, if they never saw you sometimes in that light, then it may be hard for them to digest you doing this right now. They want to see some other people have a successful experience with you first, because the tax money, that's a big issue with a lot of people. It's
Yeah.
the largest amount of money some people have all year. So they're gonna want to make sure that you're able to get it first for other
Hmm.
people. So don't just come into the game saying, hey, look, I got a big family, they're gonna help me out. So you got to be prepared to market yourself.
Yeah.
um, you are the most important figure of your business. You got to market you got to market your services, especially in an industry like the tax industry. It's
Yeah.
saturated. There's a lot of people doing it, but that doesn't mean anything. It
Yeah.
doesn't mean anything. It's what you got to do is separate who you are from the rest of the industry or your competitors. So, like,
Mhm.
what would you do to give yourself a competitive edge? What could you do to increase your visibility? I'll tell y'all what we used to do back in when we first started. This was like 2008 through 2010. We didn't really have a large budget, so it was like, all right, how are we gonna get out here and compete with a lot of these larger companies, these larger chains? You had H&R Block, or well, I'll just say larger services, coming on TV every other day talking about, oh, we'll give you this type of advance, blah 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 blah. We weren't able to do those type of things, so we had to think outside the box as
Mhm.
far as marketing, and come with more of a in your face approach. Nowadays, social media is more prevalent than pretty much anything, but back then we would literally have to get signs, flyers, door hangers, and we go to apartments, and literally put a door hanger on everybody's door. You reach one set of apartments, and you got 200 to 400 units. It's gonna take a couple hours, but that's 2 to 400 direct people that you
Yeah.
got in touch with. And we did it like 4, 5 in the morning when everybody sleeps, so they wake up. It's already there.
Hmm.
We used to go to like all the hot spots, the clubs and stuff like that, pass out flyers and stuff there, putting signs all over the city, like literally canvas the areas with signs. So you got to figure out what's going to be your niche. If you're starting a tax business and you're starting from home, okay. So first off, you might not want to invite everybody to your home. I get that, but how are you going to make yourself visible? So you can use things like with Unwrap Success. We have a mobile app. So you get your mobile app, you blast their mobile app to a lot of people, and they introduce themselves to you with their information, and then you give them estimates.
Right.
So
That's,
it's
that's
all sorts of
easy.
ways, all sorts of ways. Have a really good referral program. It's kind of
Yeah.
like people will come to you if they can utilize your opportunity or situation as a source of income. So like have a real good referral program. Hey, I'm paying up to $150 worth of referral. It's like, okay, well, how much am I going to charge for a tax? I don't know. You may charge 300 for a tax, and you're gonna give a lot of that away for a referral. But the thing is, if you don't give somebody something to go out there and grow your clientele with nothing, I mean, if you don't have a marketing budget, then you got to utilize leverage and
Yeah.
help build clientele. So just different things like that could help you out. Referral programs, social media platforms, finding influencers online that already have a following, and then utilizing them to advertise for you, and
Mhm.
with the promise of income once things get better. So
Yeah.
those are just a few short things, but over the summer we're gonna show you how to really market. I'm talking about
Yeah.
really market.
Right.
We gonna I'm gonna show you how to get with it for
Yeah.
real, for real, for real.
And you're right. Sometimes it takes a little bit of money to market these things. It does. Like you got to take into account flyers, you giving away a certain amount of service for this. Sometimes it takes that amount of time. The great part about that is you can write it off, okay, of advertising and marketing. But
Right.
you're gonna have to give and take starting out
Right.
with business.
That's true. And like Miss Crystal said, she says she does $25 referrals. That could work. It just depends on the area and clientele that you have, but you
Yeah,
can definitely doing referrals work.
yeah,
Referrals definitely work. I used to utilize my referral program like a job for individuals. Most of our tax services, let's be for real, where they make the money at the end of the hood. So it'd
mhm,
be a lot of guys that's around and they looking to make some money some type of way. And I would invite them, like I'm inviting, like I have on weekends. It's like, hey, look, everybody looking to make some money. Come see us. We'd advertise it on all sorts of ways. And so I get with the guys and I have me a box of, we'll just say for instance 1,000 flyers or 1,000 business cards. So I got 1,000 business cards, and so I tell these young guys, I'm like, look, turn these 10 business cards into $1,000. They like, how? I'm like, because what I need you to do is a shopping center right down the street. I need you to go to that shopping center. Today is packed. Don't just go and hand anybody a card. It's about relationships. So when you hand them a card, you're not handing them your card with your referral information on it until they give you their name and phone number, and possibly their name and phone numbers of somebody else they might also know that need their taxes done.
mhm,
And so we would create these what's called team building sheets. And
yeah,
so with that, they're turning those business cards, each one of them, into $100. Boom, boom, boom. And so if the person lose the card and come in, we still got the information and we know where rep sent them. And so we were able to keep those young guys happy and girls, because we had everybody,
right.
auntie, uncle, everybody was coming to do it. And so then we were able to grow offices that were, right next to larger chains or in the area with larger chains. And we're doing, large amounts of returns too. 500 plus returns out of this office, and so on and so on. Because
Right.
we're interacting ourselves with the neighborhood. We're interacting. You got to interact yourself with the neighborhood. You have to.
Mhm,
It's vital.
mhm, yeah,
You got if I don't know where you live, but okay, here where we are in Memphis is the distribution capital, one of the best places to do advertising would be in the area where the warehouses are. You know, you got so many warehouse workers. Go to
Mhm.
where your Nike, your Amazon, go to those places, put you some lawn signs in the ground, get you some people that work there, and give them some cards and say, look, I offer great service. Make sure your service good first. I offer great service, I'm looking to service you. Try me out, and then spread the word among your coworkers and stuff, and then I'll make it worth your while. Add them as a part of your team. Nobody gets successful on their own. You know, a lot of people talk
Yeah,
about self-made millionaire, blah blah blah. I can tell you, I'm not self-made. Now I put in the work. I have to put in the work, but I have people that help me, and even from my referral friends and different people that do that type of stuff, that's my team,
yeah,
and you got to have a team. You can't do it all by yourself. You can't literally do all your marketing, do the taxes, check
yeah,
on the returns, answer every phone call that the customers call in with, print the checks, get the checks out, do the, you got to have a team. You got to incorporate a team. And even if you don't have a budget,
yeah.
you
You
got to
gotta
have the
make that
integrity.
budget.
Yeah, you got to
Right.
have it's a level of integrity to where when an individual says, "Hey, look, I'm gonna help you out," when things do get better, you do take care of your people. So
Yeah,
that's what it's all about. You
most
got to create a
definitely.
team.
Because in business, you really want to be on top of it. You don't want to be in it so much to where you're just all over the place. And I learned from that over the years of having multiple businesses that I was working in the business instead of hiring the people for the right things. And so I started to get better with that. As much as I didn't want to slice a budget, I had to, and
Right,
to give me a peace of mind, to give me a clear mind to focus on something a little bit bigger than what am in right now. Because if you're in it, you'll never grow in the midst of it. You won't.
right,
Right.
right. And that's what Jakisha is saying. She's saying she's trying to balance everything, full time job and the business. That's been your struggle, but and I get you. I totally get you because before we reached levels like this, that's how we started. I started our tax preparation company literally. We did training at my house, and it wasn't a nice house either. It was in the hood, but we had to do what we had to do to get up out of there, and get to the type of level that we wanted to reside on.
Right.
So it's difficult balancing a lot of things, and I'll tell y'all, about balance.
Yeah.
Now, balance, that's something I had to learn to master. See,
Mm-hmm.
I have 6 boys and 2 girls.
Ooh.
Yeah, the six boys still stay at the house. So
Yeah.
you gotta be. I get it when you say trying to balance life and stuff like that
Yeah.
because we all have different things going on. You got family. And sometimes different individuals that start in the tax business still work a job.
Mm-hmm.
So I was running a full time print company when I first started our first tax business. So I was doing both. So I get it, but you just got to put that grind in. You got to decide how much more do you want your level of success than you want sleep. How much more do you want to get to where you want to be and achieve your dreams and goals? Then you don't. You got to be a high performance individual. You're gonna have to work a little harder and delegate the things that can be delegated. A lot of things, that we do in our lives, they can be delegated, and in our businesses also.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna show everybody that's attendees on a lot of our tax talks, different ways to automate your business. The mobile app, like that's a great way to automate your business. So to get the mobile app that I'm mentioning, you would have to actually utilize the Unwrap Success software. And what it does is it alleviates a lot of the entry of the client's material information for you.
Definitely.
Yeah, yeah, it does. It makes it really easy. It's like, you send them the link, they click on it, they're entering in all of their information and they're sending it to you. But what happens is it calculates itself into the software. So it's on every line where it's supposed to be. So you don't have to re-enter this stuff or look at the app and then like you're looking at the app and then put it in, look at the app, put it in, put it, doing that type of stuff. Now that was the old way. But no, now it integrates itself, it
Hmm.
calculates, populates, and pretty much the estimate of how much they're going to get is already there. All you have to do then is see if they are due for any additional credits or deductions, itemization, whatever that may need to go on the return. They also have the ability and capability to take pictures of the W-2, 1099s, their identification information, their children's information, if need be, etc. And all that stuff uploads and it's stored in the cloud, so you have it right there. So when you're
Yes.
filling out that form, asking how you got the client's information, you can say, hey, look, well, they sent it in, blah blah blah. It's already in the cloud. I have it on file.
Mm.
So that there makes it easy. That's a way to automate your business and handle more clients instead of a client sitting in front of you for 30 minutes and you're taking that intake sheet and then doing it right there live in front of them. They could already have this done before they reach your office, and then they can come in and e-sign everything if they want to see you in person. Or with the app, they have the capability to e-sign right there in the app.
Yeah.
So
It makes it so easy. Let me tell you, I have it on my website, just the link for you to download the app. So I just tell my customers go to this particular website, download the app and upload the information that's needed. And so they upload all the documents to the point I'm just able to just sit down and work, no questions needed until we get to the very end and they need a signature. But I have all the information I need and I'm able to chat with them as well through the software and let them know what I'm missing, and so they can see that information there and upload what they need. So it makes the process a lot easy or
oh yeah, oh yeah.
anything else.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So those are some key things that you all asked. About the of course the mobile app introduces automation into your business. The referral programs and having a referral program, that's also great. And how to balance everything, that's key because you want to be stress free as much as possible when you're operating your business, so you can flow and create new ideas
Yeah.
and operate at your optimal capability. So, those are some things that we would both love to assist you with over this the course of this summer, and have you coming back strong and ready for this upcoming tax season. If there's anybody out there that's interested in starting a tax business, um, like I said, get with us. Send us a message now. Inboxes.
Yeah.
We'd love to be of assistance and have you ready. If you're looking to get your credit repaired, that's very important. Or you have a client or clients that are interested in getting their credit repaired,
Hmm.
Ms. Phillips does have a class that can teach you and assist you in how to introduce credit repair into your business, and she would love to do that and be a
Yeah.
business coach in that area. She's very
Yes.
professional, very proficient, and she knows her stuff. So
Yes. Thank
definitely,
you.
if you need that assistance, let her know. Um, Again, like I said, this first tax talk was just to introduce ourselves to the platform and invite a lot of you all to join in on this opportunity, and let's do great things together. Nobody does great things alone, so let's do great things together. That's I'm looking forward to it. We It's time for another giveaway.
Let's see.
Let's see. You know what? We are going to give Jakisha
Jakisha, yay!
and Crystal, an Amazon gift card.
Yes.
So please inbox me with your email information, and we will get that to you.
So Jennifer, let's see.
Jennifer Jane has a great question. How is your software different than the others, and how do you guys pay referrals? All right. This is why we're different. All right. Not only when you go with Unwrap Success do you get a tax preparation software. Let's just be honest. There's a lot of software out there. There's some good software. There's some really good software, and we're one of them. But when you get our software, the reason why we're different from others is not only do you get our software, you get our expertise to help you in this tax industry. Anybody can sell you software, but
Right.
everybody's not going to be dedicated to your business growth. You know,
Mm,
a lot of people might say it, companies might say, oh, using our software is going to make you blah, 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 blah. But how? Can they tell you how? I can tell you how right now. I just kind of told you how. Marketing. I'm giving you marketing insight,
mhm.
expertise, help you grow your business, help you with your branding, all those things. Give you opportunities to make additional income in the off season by reselling software, becoming a software licensed software reseller through us. Help you
Yeah.
make some thousands all through the summer. I mean,
Yeah.
it's no game, it's no joke. We are really into unwrapping your success. If you're not successful, we're not successful. You know,
Right.
we grow together, and that's how it is. And so our software does offer everything that is an our is that you're going to need. It offers you the all states, all forms at no
Hmm.
additional charge. It offers all the top bank products. Some software they're like, okay, we're dedicated to this bank only, or we're more partial to this bank only. So it's like you buy our software, you have to go through XYZ Bank. That's because they get kickbacks and stuff like that because they are exclusive to that bank. I'm not partial to being exclusive to any bank. I don't, you know, kickbacks are nice, but at the end of the day, I want what's best for my client. And so if you like this bank and you've been had this banking relationship for years and you know people there and all your stuff uploads every year properly and you want to keep it the same way, I'm gonna offer you that. I'm gonna offer you what you used to. Or like in the recent years, there's been a bank that's been allowing even newcomers to the industry to offer advances. And why would I offer them somebody that I've been dealing with that's trying to give me a kickback when I can offer the best to my clientele and let them be able to compete with the
Hmm.
larger chains and everybody else that's out there. That's why we're different. It's about it's more than just the software. It's about the service and our dedication. That's how we're different.
Yes.
And we do pay referrals. To answer the second part of your question, we do pay referrals. If you send someone to us, we do pay referrals. It just depends on the type of business setup that they have and what their needs are. But we do pay referrals for you sending people to us. Okay, let's see. Someone said, oh, we
Yeesh.
got so many questions coming in.
I
Okay.
know.
Okay, well, just going back to the banking part,
Okay.
Deidre Graham of Simple Tax Solutions. There's one of my long time business associates back from the company I was telling y'all that I was president of, and I had to literally step down from being the president of the company because of the conflict of interest. I couldn't just be the president of Simple Tax Solutions and then helping everybody else that got their own tax business, our competitors, and blah blah blah. So, um, the Lord steered me in a different direction, and so I love what I do now. I love coaching and mentoring any and everybody, no matter what your tax business is, and you don't have to just be a business partner or a franchisee of mine. I can assist you and help you, and but it's glad to know that a lot of my simple people are still they're still here and they're still doing great things.
Yeah.
All right, now okay. Jakisha has a question. Starting a cleaning business, partners cleaning services. Do you know how I can obtain insurance for my business? That there is not my expertise. Dominique, do you have any insight on that?
So, what type of insurance are you referring to? Are you referring to personal insurance, insurance for your particular business, or are you referring to something that's going to cover you? Because you have different insurances for business, right? You can go to any, uh, well, I have quite a few insurance brokers that will assist you with this. Um, but if you're referring to just say something happened and there was an accident or something like that, there is insurance out there like that. You have Progressive that has a plan for you, Allstate that has a plan for you, and it's for business insurance. It ranges from $29 to $45, just in case it's an accident there, and so you don't be sued or anything like that. But what type of insurance exactly?
Yeah, that might be something that she could inbox you and you can refer
Yeah,
her to one of
I
your
have quite a few.
yeah, well, some of your insurance business associates
Uh-huh.
And we're looking to do stuff like that also.
Yeah.
Have people that offer insurance. If you offer insurance or know somebody offer insurance, definitely let's get on here and talk about it.
Yeah.
Also, Jakisha, if you'd like to advertise your cleaner services after the season, and talk about that, that'll be something that we could do and talk about. We're looking to talk to different entrepreneurs about all sorts of industries and different things that they're into, so
Yeah.
that we can just keep it moving with talking about financial stuff, all things financial. In the
Hmm.
off season, I like to dibble and dabble with real estate. If you look at
Yeah.
my Facebook page, a lot of people, they were confused. They're like, "You're posting cars for sale on this page? I thought you meant texting." Look, yeah, I sell cars too. So I
Look,
love.
people look on my page and they're confused. So they like, you do hair? You sell this? You do this? I'm like, yeah. I'm a trick of
Yeah,
all trades because
yeah,
everything has a season. And so when that season is down, like credit has a season, tax has a season. But outside of that, I'm still an
hmm,
entrepreneur. So I just find other things to do.
yeah, and
Um,
yeah.
yep.
And it's good for those of us that are in the tax industry anyway to have multiple services to offer to clients. I mean, you're literally printing checks in your office. You're creating money, and so it'd be real good for you to offer a service where you can sell another additional service to your client that they may need, that they don't have to get somewhere else. You may not physically be able to sell it to them, but you could put away, put some websites together or some affiliate marketing, something,
Mhm.
something, offer an additional service to create an additional stream of income. If you want to be rich, you want to be wealthy, one thing that wealthy people do is we have additional streams of income. You got to have additional streams of income. If you want to be get where you want to go, you got to have additional streams of income. A lot of streams of
Yes.
income. You know.
Most definitely. And when you think about the tax preparation, becoming a tax preparer, you have to think about a lot of other things. Generational wealth, building that for your family. Um, you want to get into the tax business, you want to get into credit, you want to get into bookkeeping, because all of those things play a part on how you're going to live your daily life and if you're going to be, in a good financial state with your family and in the future. Want to make sure you have life insurance. All of those things come together. Having property, all of those things. Okay. I have all of those. When I did get into the credit repair business, I'm like, I gotta get my ducks in a row, even though they was in a row prior to that. I'm like, okay, I gotta get this now, I gotta get this, I gotta get this. And if you're a tax preparer, and if you do business taxes, that a lot of your clients need bookkeeping. They'll come to you with a bunch of receipts and everything. And you got to tell them, hey, I want you to spend everything from this one business bank account and then come to us, depending on what type of license they have. But you definitely want them to have their ducks in a row and you got to kind of teach them, and that's something that I also assist with as well. But during during off season, you want to just kind of reach out to your clients that you already have that their business was all over the place and you want to offer bookkeeping services and say, hey, I'll keep your books for a certain amount of money and build that clientele up too. By the time it comes back around to do their taxes, they have everything in order. They don't need to ask any questions.
Yeah, that's an additional string that you can add because it doesn't matter which where you are
Uh-huh.
in business or financially. The
Yeah.
thing is to just start today.
Yeah,
Um,
definitely.
you may have had an excellent tax season. You may didn't have as awesome of a tax season as you have wanted to, but at least you stepped outside of fear and tried it and
Yeah,
tried something and took the first step into doing something that could
right.
potentially change your life for the good. So yeah, look, all that's what this channel is about: just introducing entrepreneurs to new opportunities and getting us all climbing to the next level of the level that you want to get to. Because if you don't have a goal, that you can't go anywhere. The
Right.
first
Yeah.
step of success is to create a goal. If you create a
Right.
goal, even if it's a small goal, and you achieve it, then that's one more level of success that you've you've reached. So and then you increase your goals and increase whatever that you're looking to do, and increase your one thing that I've learned. I study a lot of successful people. I study your Napoleon Hills, your E.T. Eric Thomas, Les Brown. I listen to a lot of motivational speakers, and one thing that they've always, that all of them tell you is this: you never stop learning. So
Hmm.
you want to always continue some sort of education mentally, and learn new things to keep your mind elevating to a new height. If you're in life and you're just going just on a straight plateau, it's not that you're just going on a straight plateau. If you're not winning, you're losing, and that's every single day. So you got to aim to be a winner. You got to dedicate yourself to something that excites you and takes you to where you want to go.
Right.
Yeah. Um, Carlita Wilson said bookkeeping is an absolute must and a great add-on. That is
Definitely.
true. That's true.
That's
Bookkeeping is
true.
an absolute must for those who have the time to do.
Yeah.
So it is a
Yeah.
definite
You
must. I mean, if you're in the tax industry and you're gonna take it to the next level, then you might as well get into bookkeeping.
offer that.
You
And
might as well.
you offer that to your clients that got, they up after the 100,000s. You say, look, you need a bookkeeper, okay? Let
Yeah,
me offer my services, and you can charge whatever you want to charge, but that's a guaranteed client. Okay. So each year you have their books. I mean, they're not gonna go to anyone else.
yeah,
They
you
already know what their expenses look like. They already know pretty much what the numbers is. They familiar with you and how you do business. And so, they're just going to say, okay, do my taxes. That's a guaranteed client. So,
right. Oh, and Carlita, you've won a $50 Amazon gift card.
yay.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, Look, this is why you wanna offer bookkeeping, because Jennifer Jane says she's not finna keep adding these receipts every year.
Let me tell you. But there are programs out there that you can use that gets these things together for you. Like I personally love QuickBooks. You can get clients through QuickBooks for free. You just sign up with a QuickBooks accountant, and then you're able to, add your clients on. All they have to do, and they have an affiliate program as well. So if you can get them to sign up, you get a portion of that money each month. And so you got a client and residual income through QuickBooks and your client, okay? So that is just another source of income that you all could look into during the off season for your clients and things like that.
That's great. That's great. That's great.
Hmm.
Carlita said, "Oh yeah." So yeah, that is. I don't want to give out too much today. Just wanted to pretty much introduce ourselves to the platform. This is something that we'll be doing weekly or bi-weekly, and we will post times. We may even change the time. I don't know if Friday at 3 o'clock would be the best time.
Yeah.
I know, especially during tax season, it's like, when does a tax preparer have time to watch some video? It's so, I know we're a lot of us are definitely busy during the tax season, but we're going to definitely keep everyone up to date with everything and give out a lot of information. And we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to continue to give away a lot of things, have raffles, all sorts of stuff. We
Hmm.
believe in sharing the wealth and just creating an exciting environment, and then sharing the wealth of knowledge, which is the most important thing from
Yeah.
our perspective. So I really, really enjoyed myself today on
Hmm.
today's Tax Talk. My co-host, she did great. My round of applause to you. You did wonderful, and gave out a lot of really good knowledge. And
Yeah.
so we're looking to give out more knowledge with a lot more of you individuals out there that want to give it out. So definitely, I will post. Well, of course, on Facebook, Unwrap Success, Tax Business Solutions. Check me out on YouTube. I got a lot of nice videos on YouTube where I'm doing all
Mhm.
sorts of stuff, traveling to all sorts of places, all type of crazy videos, and just to let you know that the Unwrapped Success Life, it is a real thing. It's not for braggatory purposes, but just to show that you can live and achieve the type of lifestyle that you want. and
Definitely.
it just takes the type of work that you want to put in. So we appreciate all the likes and the love. We appreciate all the likes. We appreciate all the thumbs up. Share and subscribe. Help us add this thing. Let's build this thing together. Let's make this our meeting place. Let's add more people to it.
Yeah.
And
Like and share, you all.
yeah, like and share, like and share. Yes, and it's definitely. I'm saying yes. I'm telling you, it's definitely awesome to connect with fellow tax preparers, professionals, entrepreneurs that are in the tax and financial business. I love it. I love it. I love to talk
Yeah.
taxes. I love to talk tax business. Um, and I'll even show some clips of me like doing things and talking with like execs in the tax industry. I got a chance. One of my the things that I like about this industry or any industry. I mean, I like to meet people that are like on high platforms, and I'm like, oh wow, it's like to me that's like meeting a Michael Jordan or a LeBron to a sports fan.
Mhm.
So I was blessed and had the opportunity to meet John Hewitt. If you heard of Jackson Hewitt, then that's
Mhm.
John Hewitt. So he's with he owns Liberty now, and yeah, I had a chance. They flew me out to their corporate headquarters and wanted to talk acquisitions and things like that. But that was like one of the highlights of my career in the tax preparation industry, meeting people
Nice.
like John Hewitt, um, and other high up executives with other large organizations. So I don't like to name drop. I just like to talk about things that I did and have had the opportunities to do so. You know, you all have the same opportunity and capability to do so
Mm.
also. So um, definitely appreciate you all checking us out and
Um,
looking to network even more and even further with a
yeah.
lot of you. Share us on the next time that we have it. And everyone that asked the question, including you, Deidre, I know Deidre Graham, I know you're probably like, hey, he didn't call my name too. So everybody that messaged and was interactive will receive a $50 Amazon gift card. And stay tuned. We have in our next talks, we're gonna have a lot more uh, things, gifts, and things to give out, and just sharing this success together. So
Yeah.
uh, Henley Dolman signing out. Had a wonderful time. Dominique, I
It
let
was
you have it.
it was so nice talking with you, talking with everyone today. I'm very appreciative of being here. Can't wait till the next time. Remember to like and share. And I will see y'all next time.
All right, y'all have a blessed and beautiful weekend. Take care.